Anisangijeli. Jo. Anisangijeli. Sure. Ashley, why is my hair so puffy? Anisangijeli. Angisasho ukuthi no Thando. Hamba ubheke ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mina sengithola nje mangivuke ekseni ukuthi no. Anisangijeli. Yo. Where did you gain? Hami yancane wena tu, hami yancane. Did he tell you he's going? He did not even tell me anything. Mina ngiyavuka nje ekseni. Ngivuka ngamabomb. Push, 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 push. Hayi. Watch the space. Akangazi yena. Ngicela nimtsheleni ukuthi akangazi. Ngitshele ukuthi uthanda ubani, maybe akangazi nje. Hey. And maybe if it was like a hand prettier than me, bro, or on my level, I was gonna understand. But it's like, damn, bro. Damn. Mara asikho lapho. Asikho lapho. Cheers. Twice. Show me twice. And I got to call umuntu single manje. Ngathi nje khona umuntu single nje. Are you forgiving him? Ay. Manje ngizontshela nini ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngizontshela. Kodwa yeah. Ayikho sure. Safuna ukuzwa kahle. Kodwa nje. Hey, azi umuntu ubuya esikoleni mfana ubuye uyobhala iphepha ele 3 hours mfana. 3 fucking hours. 3 fucking hours. Qeda lapho ngiswa isikolo, ngizonyiswa umdlolo. Kanjani mfethu? Yazi mina ngithi mshiseni mphakathi. Mshiseni mphakathi. Wena uma wena pretty flacos fabeke mawo. Onkudlo. Sifabeke mawo. And if you don't, I think you should go Google what a febe is. Don't just use that word and you don't know the meaning. We uzwa nje wena abantu bathi isifebe. Awazi nokuthi yini isifebe. Nina nika esikolweni. Kanti wayini bangaka nibhali? Hey. Abafana. Hey. We are done njwang wena. Nakashayina no November. Where's peanuts? Hey. Anmeni bakwethu. Anmeni. We are unemployed. How? Apa ma certificate. How ungasebenzisi certificate sakho? or degree yakho unemployed kanjani chomi eish eish impilo ne hey. Are you rich? Not evens. Don't judge it. I'm sick. I'm sick. But as ngimangele, like ngishocked chomi. As ngishocked. Yazi uba shocked chomi. Ngishocked. Futhi umuntu bekadakwe anje uzibuza ukuthi boyfriend ngasana like umuntu kabani thina kangazi ebakwethu lapha bebayibukele leya stream ne I need to ungitshela ngisikeleni cake I need to kungisikela nje cake or can you watch it like after? Is it uploaded? Can you I don't know how Twitch works. Like qeda lapho uyohlangana nabo sonwabile lo bekafonele in babizani iCPS athi nywenywe what abe no eyes lo beka hey mengalinka ne-exam nizongijala hayi ngiyabuza nje mengathi nje hey let's link nizongijala ngiyadlala ngiyeke I know a lot of people want that and no I won't do that all right no ngigrand mfethu ngalo yamjita maybe ngizothi lo munye kodwa kuya kuloya hayi Anmen ngesingisi nina anmen ngazongitshela ukuthi ngienglish ngazongitshela lokho anmen how yazini abantu bayabona ukuthi ngikwatile bazongitshela nge-English la English how abakuzwa ngeke ngizochikana nge-English ngeke ngilwe nge-English not me thinking it's a prank Chomi I was the one who got pranked Iconal He gave someone a hick. Hey, I mean, hey, Joe. Nagana o loka go exactly like hey. Maintenance Chomi. Loya akangazi. Plans for Halloween. Halloween yani sise South Africa bandla hayi niyathanda ukudreama. Bathu nithanda izinto. South Halloween. Hambani States bakwethu. Hambani States ngoba thina ngapha niyasithusa njalo. Niyasithusa. So please, Halloween ngapha. Na. Will you break up with him? Get the thing. Decide, man. I don't want to jump into conclusions. You know? What is this thing? Tanda, you kind? Not kind. Joe! You deserve better. But when give me that better hair. Give me that better. Can we be friends? Sure. Kanzi, what did they say? If you don't know, go to my reposts and come back if you think I'm wrong. Mind you, I did not know about the stream. Go to my reposts. Prank him. Prank him in. You prank in. Go to the reposts and come tell me. He was. Hey, Joe. Hey. Have you spoken to him? It was baby. It was just jokes. Baby. We were just trolling. Baby. Kim is baby. Oh. Suppose the energy in bed to be grand. Yabona mina ne nginenhliziyo inhliziyo yami ngathi ifana njengani ifana nani insimbi chomi phela yazi mina ngizonyeba ubhuti wakhe uyangazi yani kodwa lapho ngithi no, it was just jokes, babe. No, we were just trolling. Hey, nangumfana bo ngifuna ukuthatha impahla zakhe ezila yishisa ifanyeka azozilanda. Akabuza abangaziyo. Akabuze abangaziyo. Kodwa ngiyamthanda. ngijajela ini wena ubuyeleka ngakhe kwi-ex yakho sholi 17 ngiyake uzongijaja ungiyeke nje and yazini bakwethu ngizonitshela funa ukumuzwa kuqala ngizonitshela nje kahle we're not judging good kodwa yena ngizombonisa amabelo enyoka lo amabelo enyoka meso maybe because he was drunk. Hey, that's a grown-ass nigga. That is a grown-ass nigga. You cannot blame it on alcohol. No. You can't. Ukuthi commando yenzeni? Icommando yenzeni? Futhi chomi ibheka athi ngimbonise hello mjida. Ngimbonise mbhekeni. Why manje ngi-red? Kwenzakalani? Why ngi-red? Iphi le filter? Why ngi-red? Uchange kanjani konje? Effects verse awejo eish. Okay, mara nangu niyambona musi. Mbhekeni bese mbhekeni. Mushebeng. Lamon. Jo. Ki AI ya msunu wena. Ki AI ya masepa. Dominic would never do that to you. He would do even way worse. Yazini, I think kumele umuntu manje ayekele umjolo. Yazi umjolo uyanyisa bakwethu. I think no, man, umjolo is not for me. If I don't cheat first, I get cheated on. Ay, Joe. Like, isabenza kanjani lento? Isabenza kanjani kahle? Hayi. I know you want to cry. Not even. Cry for what? Maybe if he did it with he did whatever he did with like a 10 or 8 plus. Joe. Mina, man, nobody's a threat to me. Trust me. Really. Nobody is a threat to me, my babe. You only finding out now. What you mean? And that's the thing. That's the thing. That's the thing, guys. The thing. They didn't kiss though. Cheating is intimate or physical only. Like, please, utheni vele. Iman, ngizobuya. Na futhi, hey bakwethu, uyiningi indaba choma. They kissed, man. You can't give someone who kisses and not kiss them. Apparently, allegedly, nebadlala. And allegedly, the hickeys are not from him. Allegedly, mina ngazi bangitshele kanjalo ngazi. Too short Arabiao, asenna. Ke too short. Arabiao. Ar. You know what's my chat? My chat is Wangaphikanga mfethu. Wangasho ukuthi hayi Kim, no, I have a girlfriend or what. Manje uyathula. Qeda lapha yazuthini nje? Yazuthini? Ungitshela ukuthi hey, if I denied it, I was gonna look guilty. Nigga! The fuck? So you keeping quiet does not make you look guilty. And if you said something about your girlfriend or your relationship, you were gonna look guilty? Obvious. Revenge. Angisakora. The old me would do that. But like, Engenze revenge and next. Ngiyangimfebele, ngiyenze next. Even ngifuna ukwenza sami ngizomdampa kuqala before ngenze into engifuna ukuyenza. Yeah. No, thank you. It's maybe because of the peanuts thing. You know what? With the peanut thing, guys. The grocery is gonna get mad at me. But anyways, it was staged. I think you guys already know. But it was staged. And before anything, I told him about it. When Peanuts kissed my hand, I told him. Before we even started shooting that video, I told Ghost, Ghost. I didn't say Ghost. Ghost to tender, like, I checked my viewers and stuff. You know? So he was like, I should touch Peanuts. I should do that with Peanuts. Hug, what. And I was like, no, call Panda first. And then tell him what you want me to do and see if he approves. And then Panda did approve. So he knew about Peanuts. He knew. My problem is I did not know about the stream. At all. At all. Kada lapho ngizothi yimi inking. Yazi nina ne. Ngizothi yimi inking. Should we tag him? I doubt he's gonna enter. Don't even try. Zone. Oh, him too maybe. I ain't got join anything yet. Imagine what he does behind closed doors if he did that on camera. Ay, bagwethu. Ay, anime. Anime, bagwethu. Forgive him, he was drunk. Abakumele kancane nje bathukuma nje kancane. Mudambe Thando. Awa wena. Sure. Emanyana. Wait. Ke 50-50 no so. Ke 50-50. Funa ukumuzwa ukuthi ngizodecide. Shay final decision. Ngiyofeba lapha ngaphandle ngilale nabo babeni. Ngiyadlala. Woo! Ngiyadlala. Kodwa, yeah. How's life besides the drama? What drama? Girl, my life has been peaceful up until today. But other than that, I've been chilling. It's great. We know you won't dump him. Probably. Yeah, probably. But we'll see. Why didn't you take peanuts? Why didn't you take peanuts? They eat peanuts. But Sung Peanuts is younger than me. Why would I go there? Tell me, please give his. Ew. Let's move on. Actually, let me filter that word out. Like, no cap. As I forgot that on TikTok, you can filter words out. Like, hey, Joe. Umuntu loyo muntu loyo une-girlfriend yakhe kodwa nizomfuna again. Wenza kanjani konje? Oh. Wait. Ah. Are you okay, girl? I'm chilling. Impilo. Did you go on Sonavide's stream? Not because of what happened today, but like, no. Why? I will. If you know things, explain it. What happened? Nothing happened. Would you go to open chats? No. I wouldn't. Don't blame So. How? Nobody blamed him. Wagwan. Aibo. Guys, ngikhohle ukuthi lo yam jitu bize in babizana CPS. Kala mina nifuna ukuthi nge-streaming sakhe ngiyomboosta ngama-views. No, thank you. No, thank you. Date bro. Katla njoza ka Bruce wena. Ungithatha kanjani kanti wena? Awungiboni ne? Like awungiboni. Ungithatha kanjani? Sure. And men ngok-recommend abantu. Angithi masoku final ngizobuya ngizonitshela. Angithi qeda lapho ngizoba recommend. Ngiyangithola kodwa men okwamanje. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my repost. Simple. I'm not gonna explain. Exactly. Like, How did your man go to the stream after he insulted him? On the stream, he was like, hey, if you don't reveal Tando's age, you must go. And that nigga still stayed. Wangahamba. Yes, bamhlaze kanjani. Second hand embarrassment. Yes. Ngine second hand embarrassment. Yo, Sana. Like, what the fuck? Yazi la surely bacabanga ukuthi uphanda uyabancenga shem. Surely bacabanga ukuthi uphanda ubahwatha le ndunu zabo ezine-chocolates. Ay mara nayay. Oh. Ay. Ay. Aze ngahlazwa nkosi yami. Yazi ngaze ngaba embarrassed sana. Sure. Azini bakwethu. Naye hi. Uthini? He has apologized. So what happened and said I have a honey. Nje okay muhle kabona. Uthini wena? Uthini? Wena uthini? Uthini puti? Oh sis. Uthini? Sure. Stay single. I'm not single. As yet. You don't need a man, girl. True. Yo. I'm going to Grace Mondana's party. No. Notes. He just brought unnecessary drama into your peaceful life. True. Nelly is his own thing. How many waves do you have? A lot. But do you wanna go? I mean, if injalo, the way le ndaba le ibukeka ngakhona, ne? Ngakhona. If injalo kamampela, then definitely I am gone. Kodwa, if nje yimi ngijumpa kuma conclusions, then no. How? Ngicabanga ukuthi ngafuna ukushiya umuntu kanjani. This is my longest relationship. How? Ngiyazi ukuthi nisile ngoba niyaloya and ngifuna ukuthi sihlukane. Kodwa tsho mina moral of the story na cheat first. Ayisho ukuthi ucheatile kodwa ngiyasho nje ukuthi moral of the story tsho cheat first. Yangithola? Cheat in advance tsho me. In advance. It's not like uzokushada and stuff. Yeah. Hey, ngifuna ukukhuluma mfana. Ngisafuna ukubhodla. Kodwa mengingabhodla, kusho ukuthi the old Thando is back and I don't want that. Angifuni ukubhodla. It's fine. It's fine. Listen, I don't know, somewhere out there. Laughing is a sign of hiding the crash out. True. Spill the tea. True. Kodwa how's it school? Nithi nidleni namhlanje? Nidleni? Senidlile lunch? Ungagoyi man. Chomi. Nangimuhle kakhulu for umgobo chomi. Mina ngicina ukukhalela indoda 2022 chomi. Hayi sengiyazi mina manje. Inhliziyo yami ngiyitraine kabi. Uyangithola? Uyangithola? Clock it. Tip it, chum, tip it. Tip it, chums. Ngi-invite-ile angeke ajwayele uyamjida. Angithi ngiyantshela. Angithi ngiyani. And lama-podcast wenu angalingi angi-DM azongitshela ukuthi ithanda ukuphula up. Ngalingi. You can't train inhliziyo. How? Bake bakhetha June. Bake bakhetha. Hamba ku-open chairs mntasi. The same open chairs that had Dominikov. The ex yakhe. No, thank you. Great. Mina ngicela nje ukuthi bangangifaki. Linge bangifaki. Yazi umuntu wami ne kodwa ngizingeni. Linge nje nithi uthanda unywenywe. Lento leya yenzakale mina ngingekho. So ningalinge nje ningifaki. Also, if Dominikov goes to your favorite coffee store, you also won't go. I don't like coffee. So yes, I don't drink coffee. So yes, I won't go. I pay. Ngimtshela mama. Mina ngatshela umama uzongizonda yazi. Ngimtshela ukuthi hey Mthambiseng umkhonyana wakho lo mthanda kangaka umbonile ukuthi wenza amasimba kanjani kwi-internet. bandla. Hey, cha. Have you confronted him? As in, yeah. As attention. Yeah. Usho kanjani? Ngitshela. Yeah. Tell me, can you adopt me? I'm tired of my mom. Hey, angisabi nina. Hey, angisabi. Hi, Joe. Hey, angisabi shem. At least it's not woof sana. No, iwoof uyiyo. Sikhuluma ngokuthi utheni Cabanga mfethu. Cabanga. Umuntu find that out before ayobhala iphepha. Ela 3 hours long, chomi. Find out, chomi. Akukho mnandi. Tata lapha yazi bathini? Yazi bathini nje? Bathi nywe. Surely ngibhala umbhoshongo nje. Surely ngibhala umsuku. He won't stop embarrassing you. What the fuck? What the fuck do you mean? This is the first time. Ish, Mara, you are right. What if your hands are froze for the second time? For the third? For the fourth? Love bites though, that's hectic. Allegedly, Chomi. Kuthiwa, allegedly. Kuthiwa bebadlala, Chomi. Angazi bathi nywe yini kwenzakalani kuphi kwasha wacima. Ashe mina ngisana ndaba yazi phelelwa amandla phelile. Nawe hamba uyodlala ne. Hayi mana ngisho kumele ngiyodlala nabanye abantwana. Uyabhala kusasa. Cabanga. My only off day was Tuesday. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Sure. Yes, when it's your cousin. Don't forgive him. I will. I probably will. I probably will. Fully cold drink. Guys, I need to pee, man. Show me ngiyabuya nje manje nje. I'm back. Did you miss me? Cause I missed you. Nisiwenzakalani? Uba uomphuthen. Uomphuthen ngimblock if ushwa masimbu. Uphi? Angiboni. Yay! Utheni? Ay. Home Alone. Not evens. You didn't wash your hands. I foot hair when. Hey bo. Nangumuntu. Hey bo. Kanti benyobhosha na. Benyobhosha. Benyosimba kanti. Kanti tissue yani. Ngisula ngezandla kanti. TikTok. Yabona TikTok iqalile ngamasimba. Live rest. It's nudity and body exposure. Ngizungqoka i2 piece. Or ngoba ngimnyama. Okay, ngikho mnyama. Or ngoba ngim brown. Angazi. Into eziningi man. Heish. Now I'm gonna have to end this live before they suspend me. So I'm gonna probably chill for like 5 to 10 more minutes before they ban my live. They will suspend you. I know, my babe. I know. Let's go to IG. Nami ngifuna ukuyocabanga. Ngithi ukudla amathambo engqondo. Uyangithola? Why are you coughing? Lapho lo muntu ngimphendula kanjani? Ungibuza kanjani ukuthi why am I coughing? Yena ucabanga ukuthi ngizombie perhaps. Or ucabanga ukuthi ngivampire. Do you remember me, Kansani? No, I don't remember you. Speak Setswana. We party Grace. No. Today I'm happy. Can I send you 1K for nails? Gee, Tumel chum. Tumel. Kupa number how to where I can phone. Jo phone ya ka betsi go toilet. Go jwetsa. It was go toilet. Go jwetsa. A ke na yona. Ibile SIM card sona slahlile nahana. Tjo. Gain tips. Heish. Yeah, normally I would say get into a happy relationship. No, a healthy relationship. Or get a man that loves you. Heish. Yeah. Hey. Heish. Mina, yeah, chumi idla chum. Taking McDonald's every day uzobona. Thenga nje MD wena shumi. Udl ube grand. Ish. You're never wrong in my eyes, Jim. Because I'm never wrong. How? Tell me tell a joke. But not lie. Me, I'm never wrong. Why say ish so much? Ish. I'm in disbelief. I'm shocked. Nale inywele zomsunu ziyangishisa. Sibhanqa sikaphanda. Zikhiphe. Yo. Yo. Hey. 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 Valid crash out. We say, oh. At least the global limb is the Benz. You got Benz here, you know, so. Hey. Hey. There's no perfect relationship, show me. True. Ubani Fago bakwethu? Lokho ngithi Fago. Ubani Fago? Angimazi. Ufago ubani? What were you doing when he was live? I was asleep like a normal human being. Angithi bona bafuna ukusebenzisa ikhathi zabaloyi ukuthi babe live. Ayibo. Show. Uzoba right ne? Hi. Uba right. Talk to him first before you crash out, man. That's why I haven't crashed out. If you think I was crashing out, trust me. No. Hey. Let me just gather my information. Ngizobuya mos. Niyazi mos ukuthi ngizobuya ngizonitshela. That's what I gather information. You're too fine. Thank you. Are you gonna stay? Depends. Ngifuna ukubuza wonke umuntu bekalaphaya. Be single. There are a lot of other men out there. Backwards. As the admin of starting afresh with someone else. Yo, sana. Kampani be single for life. Uthi kunama other men out there. Hayi. Mababe there, Shem. If they all lie, that's the problem. Because now, they know that I don't know the truth. So they might all lie. telling you, shadow banned. No, I'm not. I think you're... No, I'm not. Ashaholic, show me. Ashaholic. Bakwethu angazi ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba ngifind out now ama-feelings nawo self ayafind out ceda lapha decide ukuhamba angazi ukuthi ngicabanga kanjalo na. But ayisebenzi kanjalo swi-right mhlanje. Udla masi chomi. That would bust. Ngicine nini ukudla masi? Yo. Amagwinya. Amagwinya ngimagcine nini bandla? Kota. Yo. Chips. Ulibheka. I just ate jollof. Amabhontshisi chomi. Sure. Thalodula guy. Next door my neighbor's house. Angakadli ndiyibhuku. Yo, skis chom. Do you normally go out for a walk? Nope. Bakwethu ngizonibona ngizobuya lo ukuzongixoxela nina bochomi. Ukunisikela ikhekhe khona ngizonisikela ne. Ngizonisikela ikhekhe ngawa. Yeah. Ngizonibona ne. Angazi ukuthi what time or when. But ngizobuya. Still I will come back with good news or bad news between the two. But yeah.